In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a black background in DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure you have your clip ready in the timeline. Once your clip is selected, go over and click on the Fusion tab. This will open up the Fusion workspace, where we'll be doing the work to remove the black background. Next, click on Media in 1, which represents your video clip. Now, hold down the Shift key and press the space bar. This will bring up the Select Tool menu, allowing you to search for the tool we need. In the search bar that appears, type Luma. You'll see the Luma Keyer option pop up. Click on Add to apply the Luma Key effect to your clip. By default, DaVinci will remove the black background from the video. You'll notice the background becomes transparent, but you might want to fine-tune the effect to make sure it looks exactly the way you want. To do that, go over to the Inspector panel on the right side of the screen. Under the Luma Key settings, you'll see options for adjusting the high and low luminance. These sliders control how much of the black background is removed and how much detail remains in your clip. Start adjusting the high and low luminance sliders until you get the result you're looking for. This allows you to refine the transparency and make sure only the black background is removed while keeping the rest of the footage intact. Once you've dialed in the settings to your liking, you're done. Your video now has the black background removed and you're ready to continue editing. Thanks for watching.